welcome to another edition of Living on the Farm. We're glad you joined us today. If you like our videos, be sure and hit that like button, and also become a subscriber so that you get our notifications every time we make a new video. Out here today, we're doing something just a little different. We're standing close to our wheat field here, and it's the time of the year where we need to put fungicide on our wheat. Wheat is a grass, and it's very susceptible to different viruses and stuff that come through, so we spray for that. But as this late in the year, we don't want to run a set of tracks through here with a ground machine, so we use some sort of aerial application. And in the past, we've used airplanes to come and spray our wheat, but this year we've got a helicopter that came in to do it for us. Pretty slick outfit. He's pretty self-contained. He lands his chopper right on the platform he's built on his truck and fills up, and it gets his work done. So we're going to shoot a little footage and show you kind of how it works. We're applying some fungicide to our wheat. It's a crop that in the springtime, when the rains come, you have some problems with it getting some different diseases, causing the quality of the wheat to be poor, and sometimes it's even bad enough that they don't want to buy it. So we apply a fungicide, which keeps those diseases from coming. Here he goes. Well, he's wrapped it up. He's got all of our wheat sprayed, and weather was good for him. It wasn't really that windy or anything, so we're grateful to get that on. And until next time, it's all good.